Hello everyone. Today we have the principal at SS Patel College of Physical Education, Vallabh Vidyanagar Anand, with us here today, and he will be talking to us. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, please give a brief introduction of yourself, and then we can start with the interview.
Okay. Myself, Dr. B.L. Nagar. I have completed my education from LNIP Gwalior. This LNIP is one of the best institute in the Asia and India also. And I completed my bachelor's, master's and PhD from that institute. I am working at present as a principal of SS Patel College of Physical Education, Vallabh Vidyanagar, under the Constituent College. This is the Constituent College of CVM University. Last 18 years I am working in this college, and as I joined as a lecturer, now at present I am working as a principal. And I have guided number of students for the PhD, and I take the many lectures in the ISC, UGC programs and national seminars, workshops, and I also invited many times in different lecture series, yes, and examiners and many more things.
Okay, sir. So let's start with the questions. So, sir, the first question I would like to ask you is, what are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
See, as my education is related to physical education, or this physical education is the one of the part of education system. Now, our main aim to keep our students fit, healthy, and as a educationist, this is the main part in education system. So we provide them the healthy environment and exercises through physical activities, so that this will be very, very important and for growing children in the school program.
Sir, being the principal at SS Patel College, what is your philosophy of leadership and how would you describe your leadership style?
Now, no doubt, this is one of the best institute. Belong to the Charutar Vidya Mandal. Now, comes under the CVM University. So, this is a good environment. We got a lot of opportunities to do the work. We have good freedom, all the point of view, and lot of good things we also learning here. But if we see, this is a place, this is a education hub. We have a lot of opportunity to other fields also, and as educationists, I got especially the lot of good working environment in this campus. So I hope this will be go up and up, and we also improve for the education system.
Sir, the education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here in your college?
See, everyone knows we have a lot of differences in foreign countries and India. But in spite of that, we should develop our infrastructure at that level so that we can attract the foreign students. Now, no doubt, we have some of the good institutes in India. Their foreign students are studying. But we want that environment, that facilities in the SS Patel College of Physical Education, or we can say the CVM University will help us, so we can develop this department, and we attract the foreign students to provide them a good facilities, good education systems, good faculties. That facilities if we create, then automatically we can attract the foreign students also.
Sir, how does the curriculum or the academics of the SS Patel College ensure the best practice of the industry?
Right. Now what happened, we are running the BP8 course, 2 year, 4 semester. Now most of the things, we should follow the rules and regulations of the NCT, National Council of Teacher Education. That curriculum we have to follow. No doubt we can change up to some percentage, but still we have to follow that systems. according to that system we have to work out.
Sir, any insights into how your college could be more welcoming to students of different races or economic backgrounds?
Now, if we see, we have permission from NCT. There's a fixed number of seats. We have nowadays we take the 50 students in a batch, right? And even the EWS system is governed by the government. We also attract that students also for the admission purpose, and we don't have any discrimination, or we can co-ed educational system in our college, and we attract all the students. We also provide the scholarship even to the students, in spite of government also given, but in spite of our trust, our university also welcome the good students, those who are gets the higher percentage in his education or in his class or in his batch, that will definitely gets the some scholarship from our trust or university system.
Sir, what do you think your roles and responsibilities are to the university and to the students?
Now, we see everyone should be responsible for the better better upcoming of the system. So university system also cooperate to the management should be also cooperate in the some of the views, and students, no doubt, without a student we can't run the any education system. So we should know the what students wants to do. Accordingly, we have to little bit flexible, and we give the better education or better point of view, so that everyone think, okay, we should study in the CVM University, or especially, I hope, as we know, our 18 years of this institute, this is the one of the best college of BPEd in the Gujarati state even before. So no doubt we attract the number of students. That's why we have a name and fame in the state.
Sir, what do you think should be the SS Patel College's top priority over the next 10 years?
Now, as we know, we are under the Constituent College of CVM University. I hope we will develop and we will start the number of good courses that will be benefited to the school and college education, and as a society, it will be benefited for the society also. So we start, this is a new university, we start the number of good courses, master's degree, PhD program already we started. So like that we have to give the good infrastructure facilities also we have to develop, and new courses regarding the education system and fitness system, or college level and university level, so that our student will get the good opportunity in the job, for the job especially.
Sir, when you first came to SS Patel College, what was your vision for the college? Has it evolved over time, and how far along in implementing that vision are you?
Right. At the initial stage, I was joined as a lecturer in this SS Patel College of Physical Education. I worked here as 18 years. See, this college from initial position is running very best. So we follow all the rules and regulations very strictly. But in spite of that, after 4 years, little bit problems are created in the admission sector especially, and we get the less admission. So not due to our education system, but job opportunities is very important thing. But students or government is not giving the job opportunity, so we decline in the admission process. We get the less number of students, but slowly we are upcoming, and now we will get the good students, they will get the good education, and they will also get the good opportunities in the private schools, central schools, or forces even, armies वगैरह में they are get the good opportunity for the job.
Sir, what would you like people to know about your college that they may not know?
Now, as I have told you, our college is well known especially in Gujarati state. Now, last year we have the 7 states of students. From out state, students also demand our college. for the admission. So this is not difficult, but we also give the good system, or we use the all three languages, Hindi, English and Gujarati language for the teaching purpose also. So we can also attract the other state students also for the admission purpose.
Sir, what do you see as your college's greatest strengths, and tell me about some of the awards or the prizes your students have won for this college.
Now, this is the biggest thing, no doubt. Our college is 18 years of old. In this period, what I observed, our students are participated in national level even, and they also get the medals even from national level. All India Combined University and participation at the zonal level, national level, and they also get the medals, gold medals, silver medals, bronze medals in different sports activities. That will be very, very important, especially for the sports colleges. No doubt, CVM provided good sports facilities. We have grounds, all the grounds for the playing and for the training purpose. So no doubt, student will get the chance to prepare themselves, train themselves, and we also provide the good training environment to them. So I hope in future also they will achieve the medals, and they will be continue to every year to year for the betterment of our university and name and fame of our CVM University and SS Patel College of Physical Education.
Sir, lastly, I would like to ask you, are there any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
See, these are very, very important questions, because nowadays we see our students are playing on the screen, mobile screen. Now, my suggestion is they should come on the ground. If you come on the ground, you will become yourself fit, healthy, or this is the very, very important factor. As we know, our nation is nation of youth, but youth should be productive. They should be fit. They should be energetic, so that if they are energetic, they are fit, then automatically productivity will be coming up and our nation will be go up. So I suggest to our youth or students, be fit, give your fitness for the timing for the fitness. As we know, our PM are they are suggested, okay, you should be go for the exercise, yoga exercise, or keep yourself fit. So last I told, if your youth is fit, your nation will be fit.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the insightful interview. It was great talking to you.
Okay, thank you, dear. Thank you.